I didn't think anybody would sign up for the project. I didn't think that it would even run because I thought it was too silly.
It was a weird project.
And it is exciting.
We got up this hill to start, they would, say, go, and then there's this chaos, and we started running down, and then we got onto the bikes, and the race started. There was a couple there, it was just like taking pictures. I'm like, race has started, guys, like, we gotta go.
We get on the vehicle, we come out, and the vehicle next to us immediately breaks down. Just immediately.
On race day, I think the students were doing really well for the first mile, and then I got a text from them that they had broken down.
And then all of a sudden we hear crack, and we see that wheel just go sideways.
Our front right caster wheel, which had been added on in place of the bike wheel to make turning possible, and so it can't turn anymore. And so at that point, we pulled over and we're like, okay, what are we doing?
But it's like, we want to make it to at least to the water section, right? Because big worry for us, we spent a lot of time. We wanted to show that we could, it's just sort of a pride thing. We removed the caster, all 6 of us just got in there and just pushed it. Traffic is just going hard on my left.
And so we pushed it and pushed it and pushed it, and eventually we pushed all the way to the water section.
We got out, we put it back into land form, and hey, if you want to go, you have to go now because the last police officer who's going to basically run on the pier is here. So we're like, let's do it, team. Made it 100 feet. We're like, nah, because tires are bending, things were hot. How far do we want to go before we call it the end?
This isn't how we wanted it to end.
What's the consensus? What happened?
Basically, everything just kind of started to break down. The main thing that kind of messed us up was the caster wheel. Basically, if we had been able to keep everything dry and if we put more Loctite on all the nuts and bolts, I think we wouldn't have had as many problems with stuff rattling loose, and that kind of caused the rest of the cascading failure.
There is something to be said for a lot of senior design projects, don't make it out of the lab. They're kind of designed to be things that you try hard and you have this polished thing to show off, but they don't make it into a consumer's hand. We actually wrote our thing the whole time. The goal was we are actually going to use it for its intended purpose, in a real scenario. Its judgment day was never a design fair.